Welcome back, Excel Radio. I am your host, Byron Keith, and this is Excel Radio, where we are looking to excel the lives of our listeners through enhanced thinking. I have 3 topics that I'm going to cover today, and for those of you who have been listening, you understand that today is a very special episode. But our 3 topics: recap our last episode, talk about what doing what you see really means, and 3, the benefits of good habits. Now, to recap our last episode, we got into a very detailed discussion about our motto, because our motto here at Excel Radio is excelling the lives of our listeners through enhanced thinking. Now, the enhanced thinking part is going to come by way of information that is given to you on these episodes. Now, for those of you who've been listening, and for our newcomers, understand that when you listen or watch now, it's going to be 2 to 5 minutes of information that you can apply to your life. Now, our parents, they've been contacting me, and I've been getting a lot of responses about the things that we talk about. Now, I want to make our second point very clear. Doing the things that you see applies directly to the people around you. Because when you were a child, and for those of you who have children, you understand that when you were a child, you were doing what you saw your parents, or for those of you who grew up in single parent households, what your parent was doing. And you replicated that. And for those of you who have children now, you understand that, hey, the things that I'm doing, my children are probably doing. So, examples of good habits, which now I'm transitioning into my third point, would be brushing your teeth twice a day. If your kids see you doing that good habit, brushing your teeth twice a day, then they're more than likely to do that. You know, they could contribute to a savings once a month for those of you who have teenage children at this point. You know, if they see you doing that, getting a good habit of saving, they would most likely replicate that in their lifestyles. So that's going to conclude today's episode. We went very briefly over today's 3 topics, which were, to recap our last topic, defining our motto, excelling the lives of our listeners through enhanced thinking, doing the things that you see for those of you who have children, and the benefits of good habits. I am your host, Byron Keith, signing off.